A very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss the topic creating an email account. So, if you want to create your email account, firstly you need to connect to the internet and then open the website www.gmail.com, because we want to create our email account in this website. So firstly this website needs to be open on the screen, and then click on the create account link and proceed to the next page. When the site will be open, then you have to click on link create account, and then you have to proceed to the next page, and then a registration form will appear. You need to fill this form and choose a username and password for your email account. And after that you need to accept the agreement, and then email account gets created if all the entries have been filled properly in the registration form. This is the registration form in which you have to fill all these fields and then click on the next step. You need to mention your name, choose your username, create your password. Password should be strong enough so that it cannot be easily hacked by the unauthorized persons. And then after creating an email account, it can be used to send and receive the emails. And to use that email account, one must log in with the username and a password. The login or the sign in the system of different mail accounts will be different, but it provides the identical features. All the mail accounts provide the same identical features, but login and sign in will be different from one to another. Next is inbox. Inbox displays the information about all the received mails. जो भी मेल्स आपकी इस ईमेल अकाउंट में आएंगी, all the information will be appear in inbox. Each message header displays sender name, subject line, time, date when the mail is received, and sometimes the size of the message too. If you want to read any of the received mails, then you have to click on it and that particular mail will appear on the screen, and you can read that mail and reply it accordingly. Compose write mail. To compose a mail, one has to click on the compose option. This is the compose option if you want to create a new mail. This is the inbox that displays the information regarding all the received mails. Here 17 appears, that means 17 new mails appeared in that particular account, and each message header displays information regarding the sender name, subject line, time, date when the message has been sent or received. Using compose button, you can create a new email and you have to fill the following components. First is to. Here we can type the email address of the person to whom we want to send the message. Here you will type the email address to whom you want to send the message. CC stands for carbon copy. In this field, one can specify the addresses of the persons to whom one wants to send a copy of the mail. If you want to send a copy of the mail to more than one persons, then you have to specify the addresses of the person in this CC field. The email addresses mentioned in this field will be visible to all the recipient of the mail. जिसको आप मेल सेंड कर रहे हो सबको वो ईमेल एड्रेसेस रिसीव होंगे जो आपने CC फील्ड में इंक्लूड किए हैं. BCC. It is also used to send a copy of the mail to several people, but the email addresses mentioned in this field are not visible to the recipient of the mail, and it is a blind carbon copy. And the difference between these two fields is that while you can see who else has received the email when CC is used, but this is not the case when BCC is used. Subject. It is a brief description of the mail which gives an idea about the message. You will have to write a brief description of the mail so that the receiver can have an idea that what type of message he or she is going to read. Message. You can type the message just like a normal letter with greetings, one or more paragraphs, and your name at the bottom. You can also format the text using the available features. So message, you can type the message just you are writing a normal letter with starting with the greetings, and even you can add one or more paragraphs and your name at the bottom so that the receiver can identify you easily. This is the TO field in which you mention the email address of the person to whom you are sending the email. Subject, you need to write the subject of your message. CC field stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. If you want to send the copy of the mail to more than one person, then you have to use these two fields. If you want that the addresses you are typing in this field will be visible to all the recipient, then you can use CC field. And if you do not want that the email addresses that you mention in this field are not visible to all the recipient of the mail, then you can use BCC field. Here you will type your message starting with the greeting, and then it will have one or more paragraphs, and at the last you will write your name. And after writing your message, you can even format that message using font, bold, italic, underline. You can even change the color of the text and even more formatting features using the available features here. And then after typing your message and checking it once again, you need to click on the send button and your mail will be sent to its recipients. Next is attaching a file. Attaching. Email provides the facility to attach files for high-speed delivery anywhere in the world. If you want to send files to your friend who is living in different corner of the world, then you can use this facility and it provides a high-speed delivery of your files. Attaching a file to an email is an easy way to send important documents or files, which can be photographs, videos, music, letters, or text. You can send your important documents or a file, and it can be photographs, videos, music, letters, or text with the help of this feature. Attachment is a computer file sent along with an email message. One or more fields can be attached to any email message and be sent along with it to the recipient. And this is typically used as a simple method to share documents and images. A paperclip icon. This is the paperclip icon. It is the standard indicator for an attachment in an email client. Now, how will you attach a file to an email? You have to follow the following steps. First is you have to click on attach a file icon on the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. This is the attach a file icon. Then the open dialog box will appear. Then you have to browse your files and then select the file you would like to attach. Open dialog box will appear. From this dialog box you need to firstly browse your file where the file is located, and then you have to select that particular file and then click on open button. That file will be opened and it gets attached to your email, and now you can click on the send button. Always remember, you cannot send executable files or messages larger than 25 MB as an attachment. So you cannot send the files larger than 25 MB using this feature. If you attach a file larger than 25 MB in size, it gets uploaded to the Google Drive and Gmail provides a downloaded link to the file in the body of your email message.